everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about the Pet Safe Litter Disposable Tray. This is for self-cleaning litter boxes, so if you have one of those, this is universal. It's going to fit any of them. So inside, when you open up the box, this is what the litter looks like. It is crystal litter. This crystal litter will keep the odor under control 5 times better than any clay litter that you have. And then also, because it is crystal, it's not gonna stick to your cat's feet like the clay one does, and it gets all over and your whole litter box area just has dirt and dust everywhere. This doesn't do that. It really locks in the odor. You're not gonna smell it. It absorbs all the wetness and all the waste. Super, super easy. You can do like weeks without having to replace the actual tray. And then this is the tray. It just inserts into the litter box. So you will insert it, fill this part with the crystal litter, and you're good to go. Like I said, weeks before you even have to change it. So if you are somebody who has a self-cleaning litter box and you want something that is going to really keep it odorless and then also not get everywhere and make a big mess, and you can go a long time in between changing, I would highly recommend that you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.